Today I want to introduce you to an artificial intelligence called MNML.ai. This AI can perform architectural tasks for you, such as designing site plans, facades, interiors, and similar work. Right now we want to use its site plan design service, which is free. Of course, after a certain limit you'll naturally have to pay for it, but for now we're using its free features. Pay close attention. To use this service, I went to the MNML.ai website, to the Apps section, and here I entered the Master Plan Line AI. As you can see, we have such a service here. At the top, it also shows you the different modes you can use on this site. Previously, I drew this in AutoCAD. As you can see, what I meant was that these lines, for example, represent the boundaries around my property. This is the property boundary itself. Here, a villa building is supposed to be created for me. In fact, a villa here, a pool here, this circle, and this arc is, for example, the path of movement. Just a general sketch before recording the video. I drew it without much thought. And this, for example, is the boundary of the upper neighbor's property. I exported this and turned it into an image. I then uploaded this image to ChatGPT. Let me open it for you. In ChatGPT, I uploaded the image here and wrote these explanations that I had prepared beforehand. I wrote that here is supposed to be a villa building. This is supposed to be a pool. This is the car path. This is the property boundary, and so on. I gave these details and said, for another AI that I want to use, give me a prompt for it. I send this to the AI to see what prompt ChatGPT gives me. We wait a few moments for it to generate the prompt for us. As you can see, it gave me the prompt. I copy the whole thing, come here, upload the desired image here, wait a few moments, and here is my image. I upload it. After uploading, I scroll down and define the style for it, what style I want it in. Then further down, I write the desired prompt for it. I copy the prompt from there and paste it here. Here you can also specify whether you want the highest quality or just something quick. I click on generate, wait a few moments for the image upload process, and then for it to generate our image. We wait a few moments. Up to this point, it has taken less than a minute. As you can see, it's in the final stages, and in less than a minute, it delivers the image to you. If the image doesn't display here, click on edit, and in the edit page, it will show you the image completely. We wait a few moments for our desired image to load. As you can see, it has delivered exactly what we wanted. This is the path of movement, this is the pool, this is the boundary of the path, and here it has completely simulated the area for us. Very easily, with the help of this AI, you can model your site plans and quickly get to what you want. If I had given it more details, the site plan would have been more detailed, and it would definitely have delivered something even more stylish and better. I hope this tutorial has been useful for you. You can really use this for your work. Let's go to the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll be notified as soon as a new tutorial is published.